Hey there, finance friends. If you're tired of wondering where your money goes each month, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set budgets in Copilot Money, a super user-friendly app that helps you take control of your finances without the hassle. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or looking to refine your skills, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Copilot Money app downloaded on your phone or accessed via their website. Once you're in, log in with your account. It's quick and secure. Now, let's get to the fun part, setting up your budget. Head over to the main dashboard and tap on the Budgets tab. You'll see an option to Create New Budget. Click that, and you'll be prompted to name your budget, maybe something like Monthly Essentials, to keep it straightforward. Next, add your categories. Think about your spending habits. Groceries, dining out, entertainment, utilities. These are key areas where money slips away. For each category, set a monthly limit. For example, if you want to cap your grocery spending at $300, just enter that amount. Copilot Money makes it easy with sliders or input fields to adjust as needed. Don't forget to link your bank accounts if you haven't already. This way, the app can track your expenses in real time and alert you if you're approaching your limits. Once everything's set, hit Save, and voila, you've got a personalized budget. One pro tip. Review your budget weekly to make adjustments based on real-life changes, like unexpected bills. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. By using Copilot Money, you'll gain insights into your spending patterns and build better financial habits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's make your wallet happier together.